Maybe you guys know that since two video I am promoting LuxuryEscapes, best resistant band in the world. So like that, this video also is sponsored by LuxuryEscapes, best resistant band in the world. So finally I received a product of LuxuryEscape. This is the real deal, okay guys. So I'll show you one by one, okay. This is the I'll show you, okay guys. Mini loop band, okay. Means I'll show you how can you train, okay, with these things. This is what it looks, okay. So guys, you can use this as a warm-up. You can use this as a stretching, okay, before workout. So this is that things, okay. Mini loop band. So move to the next and the biggest thing, okay. So guys, this is the main thing, okay. This is the main resistant band. I'll show you, okay. Here we go. Resistant band. So okay, so this is also something like manual book, okay. Now here we go. Here is the main thing, okay. Okay, so this is the resistant band, very strong, okay, and the very flexible. It will help you while doing a warm up also, okay. And if you don't have dumbbell, if you don't have barbell like this, you can show, baby. Yeah, here we baby. So if you don't have dumbbells, barbell, then you can order this, okay, and you can train with this also, okay. This is very good, okay. That's the thing. I'll show you some workout also, okay. So don't worry. So before using this, you need to fix this, okay. So here something like this, okay. But I'm thinking very different, okay. Okay, but you need to fix this, okay. Here all the band have like this. We need to fix this, okay, here, and then we can train, okay. We can train chest, tricep, back, biceps, everything, okay, abs, leg also, okay. So that's the thing. I'll show you. Don't worry. Let's begin. So guys, this is hook, okay. Then we can fix here like this. One hook, okay, and the different color we need to fix. If you want dedicated video in this resistant band, then I will drop that also, okay. Like if you want to see how can you train our full body with this resistant band, then I will drop that also soon, okay. So stay tuned for that, okay. Hope you guys like our video. If you like them, please like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Baby guys, love you, take care. This is Anish Fitness and Anish Fitness behind the camera, over and out. Boom.